Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to send money from your CIBC account to Tangerine? Here's how to transfer funds from CIBC to Tangerine using Interac e-transfer. First of all, sign into your CIBC online banking or mobile app. Next, go to Interac e-transfer. This will take you to the send money page. Now select your recipient. If you haven't added your Tangerine account yet, enter your Tangerine email or phone number and save it as a new contact. Enter the amount you want to send and choose the CIBC account you would like to transfer from. If your Tangerine account isn't set up for auto deposit, you will need to create a security question. Make sure it's something only you and your recipient know. Double check your details, then hit send money. If your Tangerine account is set up for auto deposit, the money will go straight into your account. No need to answer a security question. And that's it. Your money is on its way from CIBC to Tangerine. Fast, easy, and secure. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.